Welcome to another Ready or Not tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change officers in this game. Alright, you can't do it in multiplayer as obviously this is the option for you to play with your friends. Alright, now what we're going to do is just go ahead over to single player and commander mode or quick play. Alright, let's go ahead over to commander mode right here. I'm just going to select the game and wait for it to open. Now, what we're going to do in here while we are on the headquarters, just go ahead and tap and hold tab, all right, tab key to bring up your device. And as you can see here, we have our officers right here. And here, as you see, when you click on the vacant frame right here, you can just go ahead and select one available officer, all right? Now, if you do want to change your officers right here or your main lineup, just go ahead and select one. For example, right here on the red team, I'm going to select Mr. Rodriguez right here. Now, to swap, let's go ahead and select any of these available officers. All right. Say, for example, Mr. Smith right here. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, Mr. Rodriguez has been swapped by Mr. Smith. As you can see here, for this one will unlock if you have finished one mission. Here for 3 missions and 5, 7, and so on and so forth. That's basically how you do it. That's how you change officers in Ready or Not. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.